5 drinking personalities is secretly sabotaging your weight loss efforts. Here's what I discovered. It's not about how much you drink, it's about why you drink. And your drinking style determines exactly how alcohol affects your weight. Let me explain. There are actually 5 different types of drinkers, and each one faces unique weight challenges. First, there's the social drinker. You mostly drink at parties, dinners, or girls' nights. You can go days without drinking, but when you do drink, you tend to overdo it. Your weight problem? Those weekend binges create massive blood sugar swings that trigger fat storage for days afterward. Then there's the stress drinker. You reach for wine after tough days to unwind. Your issue is that stress plus alcohol creates a perfect storm of belly fat. The stress hormone cortisol combined with alcohol literally programs your body to store everything around your middle. Next is the habitual drinker. Wine with dinner isn't optional, it's routine. Your challenge? Daily drinking slowly depletes the exact nutrients your metabolism needs to burn fat, so your weight creeps up gradually without you realizing why. The reward drinker treats alcohol like dessert after accomplishing something. The problem here is that alcohol triggers the same reward pathways as sugar, creating cravings that lead to overeating later. Finally, there's the escape drinker who uses alcohol to numb difficult emotions. This creates the biggest weight challenge because emotional drinking disrupts hunger hormones, making you crave high-calorie comfort foods. Here's the breakthrough. Once you understand your drinking type, you can address the specific nutritional deficiencies that are sabotaging your weight loss. That's exactly what a top doctor of clinical nutrition discovered when she created the science behind Cloud9 Daily Restore. This isn't just another supplement, it's specifically formulated to replenish the nutrients that different drinking patterns deplete, while supporting your liver's ability to process alcohol without storing it as fat. It contains N-acetylcysteine, try saying that 3 times fast, which helps your liver make glutathione, basically your body's master fat-burning antioxidant. There's Milk Thistle to help liver cells repair themselves, and something special from a Japanese raisin tree that actually helps your body process alcohol more efficiently. Plus all the B vitamins and nutrients that alcohol steals away, leaving your metabolism sluggish and your energy drained. Women using Daily Restore report something amazing. They can still enjoy their usual drinks, but the weight starts coming off. The afternoon energy crashes disappear. That puffy morning look goes away. And most importantly, they stop feeling guilty about their glass of wine because their body is finally equipped to handle it properly. The best part? It works regardless of which drinking type you are. Social drinkers stop experiencing those post-weekend weight spikes. Stress drinkers see their belly fat shrinking. Habitual drinkers get their energy back. Click below to find out how Daily Restore can work with your specific drinking style to help you feel confident, energized, and guilt-free.